Hello everyone! This video will display the products included in the Spooky2 Central Single Generator Kit. Please check each product with the parcel list and ensure no parts are missing. Now, let's check the details of the Spooky2 Central Single Generator Kit. Firstly, you will find one Spooky2 Central main unit with its power supply. There are two types of Spooky2 Plasma Tube: Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube and Spooky2 Straight Plasma Tube. And there are three purchase options for this kit on our Spooky2 Mall website. According to your order, you will receive the corresponding plasma tube. Option 1, Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube. Option 2, Spooky2 Straight Plasma Tube. Option 3, Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube and Spooky2 Straight Plasma Tube. For Spooky2 Phanotron Plasma Tube, we also prepare a Phanotron tube cover so that people use it to avoid those flickering lights. You will also receive one Spooky2 XM generator and one USB cable and its power adapter. There are one USB filter cable and two BNC filter cables specifically designed to connect generators to the Spooky2 Central unit. There is one Spooky2 ultrasonic and ultrasonic transmitter. Use them only with Spooky2 Central. And there is one 3.5mm audio to BNC cable. Use it to connect to the TENS cable for contact mode. This is a Spooky2 Central PEMF coil with a PEMF adapter attached. You will also receive an additional bag of Spooky2 TENS pads, which includes 6 pairs of TENS pads. Thank you for watching this video.